Hello everyone, this is Hana Muqaddasi. I'm going to present my final project at the course Parametric Modeling Design with Dr. Yan. And my project is Gherkin Tower. Here I'm trying to model it. I used grasshopper previously, Rhino and grasshopper, and here in this project I use Python scripting in order to create the circle and in order to move it to the top and create 40 circular curve here. And then I needed to, in order to create the form, I used this graph and use the Galapagos in order to optimize a cap for this form. And when I run it, it gave me this form that is so much look like the project. And then I used the Ladybug plugin in order to calculate the radiation based on temperature and wind speed. To do that, I imported the weather data based on Energy Plus for London, and it gave me the solar pass for this building. And then I used the analysis period for first month and until the third for 3 months. And so here you see the solar radiation different color based on the temperature and the weather data we gave. And here you see we use the radiation command, and here you see the radiation. We have the optimized radiation at the south part. Also we used a windrows command in Ladybug, and it analyzes the wind speed for us based on the weather data. And we can see we have the highest rate of wind at the west side. We locate the building and create some buildings around it in order to analyze the radiation. And you can see here that we created, we considered Gherkin as a box and a couple of more boxes as other buildings around it. And then we run it and it gives us the radiation analysis based on this building. I also did another project which is my research project here, and in this case we have different residential places here that we consider as a fixed points. And then so first thing we did is we calculated the closest points from each residential to the road, and then we created different points on the road. And then we want to consider in this polygon as our commercial, and our question is where we locate this polygon in order to give us the lowest rate of transportation to the commercial, from residential to commercial. In that case, we use Galapagos here in order to minimize the transportation, the car transportation for us. So here you can see that how it works, and it optimized the transportation with cluster and commercial at the closest part in the community. So eventually it will be somewhere around here, which is our optimized location. Thank you very much.